For those of you who don't know, I arrived here at Glenstal in September of 2024, and I've been asked to reflect on my time. So today I'm going to tell you a story, my story. To give a small bit of context, my previous school was St. Joseph's Toller. It was of a similar size, maybe a little bit bigger than this one, and it was also located in the middle of nowhere. The only difference was that I had known everyone in my first year since first year, and most of them since primary school. It was safe, familiar, comfortable. My parents first mentioned boarding school to me when I was in third year, and I flat out refused. There was no hope I was leaving my friends to go to some posh private school. We argued over it, of course, and I fought tooth and nail just to stay where I was. I managed to delay it by a year, but eventually I gave in, and I accepted that TY would be my last year in Tulla. And so September came around, and as did my first day, and I remember it like it was yesterday. I sat outside in the car, trying to convince my mother to change her mind, while thinking that my life was about to end. All the while, she just smiled and said, "It'll be over before you know it." At the time, I was hoping that she was right, but now looking back, I regret that she wasn't. Of course, the first few weeks were hard. Academics alone, I felt like I was already behind in all my classes. Aside from that, I was away from my family for the first time. I didn't know anyone. I was sleeping in a dorm with 7 other lads, most of whom were speaking a different language. And worst of all, there wasn't an ounce of hurling to be seen. But it wasn't long before I began to see the upside of coming here. I pretty much had everything I needed all in one place. But what I really noticed was the people, both the teachers and the students. I genuinely thought when I came here, I'd be an outsider until I left. Being a new kid where everyone else had practically grown up together in the dorms. But that wasn't the case at all. In fact, within the first month, I thought I might actually start to like it here. And now, I've made friendships that will last me a lifetime. Friendships that usually take years and years to build, that have been sped up through the time we spent together. In class, up late having a laugh, or just chatting about free time. I've only been here 2 years, but some of the best times I've ever had have been in these classrooms, up at the dorms, or down the common. But it's not just the students. I can stand up here and say in full honesty that without the help of my teachers in this school, who really do go above and beyond for us, I would not nearly be as ready for these next few weeks as I am now. In the last 2 years, for every project, every test, and every class, my teachers have been there, supporting me, motivating me, and always pushing me to strive for the next level. And for that, I can't thank them enough. It's hard to put into words the value of coming here. The good times had are unforgettable. The friendships made are unbreakable, and the lessons learned, whether they're in the classroom, on the pitch, or up in the dorms, are invaluable. Although I fought hard against it, if I had the choice now, I'd go back and I'd choose Glenstal every time. Now, I've been asked to reflect on my time here, and I think I've done a good job. But there's one thing that I'd like to last. It's probably the most important lesson I learned the whole time I've been here, and something I wish I understood earlier. See, if you told me 2 years ago today that I was going to stand up and give a speech in front of my entire school, I was going to make friends that I would have for the rest of my life, and I'd have some of the best times I'm ever going to have in this school, I'd say I wouldn't be able to do that. It would be impossible. And yet, here I am. Here they are, and the time's been had. The lesson I learned here is that there's no such thing as the impossible. When I came here, I couldn't afford for something to be impossible, or for something not to work out. And so I just kept trying, and kept failing. And I realized that even failure is just an opportunity to improve, until eventually it wasn't impossible. And so, to my fellow 6 years who are going out into the world, and to the young leaders who will be following us before you know it, go out there and fail again and again. Because I'm speaking from experience when I tell you that with enough trials and enough fails, there's nothing in this world that you can't do.